What up, what up, what up? It's Raging Cajun Blaze Nation coming at you with another repair video. We got a 2010 Dodge Journey. This is a 4-cylinder. We're doing a transmission filter and flush. This is where the transmission dipstick goes. I already pulled it out. You want to pull that out when you're doing this procedure. So I already dropped the pan. So you gotta, it doesn't have a drain bolt, and you do have to drop the pan. You've got 10mm bolts going around. There's your magnet. You want to clean that off. So there's the old filter right there, and there's like a little O-ring it has right there that broke. So it comes with a new O-ring. I went ahead and all you do is just pull it down. Pull it down. You and just tap the bottom of it like with a rubber hammer. I just use my palm and just smash it in there, and then these little grommets go into the holes and they hold it in there. So these actually hold it in to the bottom of the transmission. Now you want to start on the back. Take out your 10mm on the back and then come around this side right here. That's just me. And then come around this way. But as soon as you get about halfway, it's gonna start leaking fluid. So have your catch pan like ready, because once you come and take these back bolts off, once you get about halfway, it should start leaking. Otherwise, and it's kind of slanted, so it's gonna leak out this way. You always want to start back here, take these back bolts off, and then work your way, do these last. And then once you get all of these off the side and the back, then the pan should fall. And then once you take off like 2 or 3 of these, and don't take them all the way, leave one in like halfway and take the other one out like halfway. And then once it stops like draining out, then go ahead and take one out all the way, and then take the last one out and let it drain out. Just give it some time. You want to clean this mating surface right here, get all that old gasket off before you put the new one on. I like these little brake clean it off. And it comes with a new gasket, which is over there on the table. So you want to clean this off also before you put it back on. And tighten your bolts back down. And then it takes about 5 quarts of transmission fluid, and the customer requested Lucas oil, which is that transmission stop slip. So I'm gonna put like a bottle of that, and then like I said, it takes about 5. So you want to add about 4. So you want to add about 4 quarts of fluid, and then check it. So crank it up. You want to check it while it's in. You want to crank it up, go through all the gears. So what I mean is, when you crank it up in park, you're gonna put it in reverse, count to 3. Then you're gonna put it in neutral for 3 seconds. Then you're gonna put it in drive for 3 seconds. Then you're gonna put it in D3 for 3 seconds. Put it in L1 for 3 seconds, and then go back up in each gear again for 3 seconds. Once you get back to the top, then you're gonna go back down 3 seconds in each gear, and then go all the way back up 3 seconds in each gear. It's important that you do that, because that pressurizes the system and puts fluid inside your clutch packs, so that it's evenly distributed throughout the transmission, so that you get a good reading, or a correct reading on the fluid level. So after you do that, that's when you want to check your fluid level. So like I said, put about 4 quarts in there, maybe 4.5, then check it. Go through your gears, then check your level, and then add more fluid accordingly. Just look at your dipstick, and it should be right here in the hot crosshatch area. You don't want to go past the dot at the very top. Okay, and that's it. It's that simple. This is like probably one of the easiest transmission filter jobs you will ever do in your life. It's a 2010 Dodge Journey. There's a 4-cylinder right here. Thanks for watching the video. Peace.